Assalamualaikum friends, here is 3D text effect for Adobe Illustrator, AI and APS files. Okay, you can do or you can edit everything in Adobe Illustrator. Here is 30 plus templates and with preview file, but these are protected password in my app. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now is in this app in offer 60% off, so hurry up. 5 days is remaining and premium unlimited mega data bundle offer is 50% off in now $10. So hurry up. Okay, last is my Telegram channel, Sheri official. Subscribe me. I will provide every notification of video or link first here. Okay, so open this one. Here is a preview. I know you can do in Adobe Illustrator. Tone Pride, Arabic, Al Arabia, Japanese, Sport, Love, Baby Shower, it's a boy. Okay, Barry, Airbrush, Comedy Layer. Okay, now 30 is complete. You can edit in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.